In this example, we want to subtract one complex number from another. So we have 9 minus 4i minus 3 minus 15i. So there's nothing in front of these first parentheses, so just remove those parentheses, 9 minus 4i. There's a minus in front of the second parentheses, so depending on what teacher you've had in the past, you probably, if you've had me, you just remove the parentheses and change all the signs, or if you've had another teacher, you can think about it as distributing by -1. So whichever way you want to do this is fine, as long as you get the same answer as I do. So what I like to do, when parentheses follow a negative sign, I like to remove the parentheses and change the sign. So I'm going to remove the parentheses. The 3 will become minus 3. The minus 15i becomes plus 15i. Okay, if you have a different way of doing that, that's fine, but you should end up with -3 plus 15i. And now we just add like terms, so 9 minus 3, so I add the reals. 9 minus 3 is 6, and minus 4i plus 15i is plus 11i. And that's our answer. 6 plus 11i, that's the real part, that's the imaginary part. They're different, so you can't add them. You're done. 6 plus 11i.